Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 366. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Just making sure my notebook is good because it's on the page. Yeah, this is the live video, so definitely if you're looking for an explanation for the problems, I'll have different videos for them. They're probably in the description. Check that out. But yeah, 30 seconds to go. This is, yeah, apparently someone on my Discord mentioned they have not updated this text at all, so I don't know what's up with all that, but very confidence inspiring, but nonetheless, it's been like a month, so I guess, it is what it is. But yeah, 10 seconds to go. Let's go, go, go. Wish me good luck and hope y'all have a good contest as well. Well, whatever. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Loading. Wait, what's N and M? They are divisible. Okay. Say what? Let's do 4 tasks each. No, N tasks each. Okay. This is a very poorly worded problem. I can't even understand it. Okay. Why is this the case? Why is it just not like 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5? Oh, 4 cores. Okay, I see. I misread. It is very hard to read problem. Okay. Okay. So then now you have N processors and you choose 4 tasks. Probably just binary search, right? But I don't know. This is good. Then we try to go a little bit more. I guess so, but is that right? How do we figure out which one to match? Do we always just want to greedily choose the other ones? I guess so, actually. So maybe I don't need to binary search. Right. processing time. So mx is going to be equal to max of mx or processor time of I plus max of tasks I times 4 I times 4 plus 4, I think. Yeah. Is that right? Greedy? I think so. Okay. Wasn't sure, to be honest. Had to think about that one a little bit. S1, S2, same size. X, S1 number of times, 500. Think about it, okay? Choose I and J, and then swap, and it costs X. Choose I such that it is less than n minus 1, and then flip out. So just adjacent. Adjacent is 1. Swap is X. Find the minimum cost such that to make the string equal. Is it DP? I mean, it's probably DP, but 500. So suffix for 500. I guess, yeah. I guess that's just DP. Is it? It is DP, but I have to be careful. I have to make sure that I prove the thing. So if it's 1 and it's 0, then you have to swap with a 0. Right? Otherwise, but if it's 0 and this is 1, it's probably fine because it, by definition, you're going to get swap in the future, maybe. Okay, let's try that. I don't know if that's true, but we'll try it. Just shortcut it. Wait. So if otherwise, okay, if just skipped, well, you can't always skip it. So minimum, okay. Okay, otherwise, I do 0, 1, and the assumption is that if you have a 0 and you have a 1, then it gets swapped out in the future. So is that true? Then in the future, that means you're doing a 0, 1, so you just skip the 0, 1s. Okay, fine. number folding. Yeah, you have to count the number folding a little bit. But then that becomes 500 cube. This one. Anyone self Q4 yet? Oh, 4 people. I mean, more people self Q4 than Q3. How do I think about this one? Is there another way to do this one? I would do this one more than one. If you carry one forward, but then that's already n cube. Do we only ever do this? I guess we only ever do this if it fits this current thing between this 1 0 and then you have. No, I guess you can have 1 1 and then 0 1. You still want to move it forward. This is a hard one. People are getting it slowly, finally, but. Am I misunderstanding what flipping means? I misunderstood this problem. That is terrible. They have to define what flipping means. Okay. Okay. I mean, they do define it, but I don't know why they define it afterwards. Okay, I have to. Okay. Let's think about. Oh man, I am solving the wrong problem. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what flipping means. This is a flipping problem, I guess that's what it means. Okay. Alright. Alright. Think. What does that mean now? Now that you wasted 5 minutes on the wrong problem. Okay, so that means that you have to do. I mean, it's probably still DP, but I think there's another state of carry. Now carry only carry 2. Maybe 2 things. So, okay, so now current and extra. Right, so okay, I think I got this, but I misread this problem so much. All right. Okay. So if index n, if extra is 0, return infinity. Otherwise, return 0. Extra is not equal 0. Okay, and then now press is equal to infinity, and what we want to do is, okay, so if s1 index is equal to s2, force. Well, okay, so if current, I guess I'll just don't confuse myself. If current, then yeah, okay. So the bit 1 is equal to S1 int B2 is equal to S2 index, okay. And then if current, then that means that we swap this one, then okay, right. So then now, if they're the same, then we're good. We have no carryover, and we just keep the number of extras, and then and this costs nothing. Okay. Otherwise, we want to do the +1, right? So, but only if they're not the same, right? Because otherwise you can't do it now. Well, I guess you could do 2 operations, but that seems suboptimal. So maybe I'm wrong with that one. Okay, so if it's not true, then you could do true extra +1, right? Okay, yeah. Or you can do keep this false, but extra +1 plus x, right? Or if extra is greater than 0, then you can just use one of the extras that you used before, that you passed on before. So then now this is extra -1. Okay. So I'm doing infinity somewhere. Oh. I guess this is just an else. Yeah, because it's the same, then you don't want to use, you can't use any of these anyway, I think. Okay, but then why do I return this? Oh, because it's not possible for some of these. -1 and 3. That's not right. Okay, well. If only I didn't waste it like 6 minutes misreading it. I mean, I guess I know what flip means, but it's a little bit weird. It doesn't get used that much, so. Why is this 3? So 4. Okay, so this goes 3 because this thinks that you can go to flip the first one, and there's a true. What are these states? 0. So you get to the last one, force and 0. And best is 1. What? So let's see if 174, force and 0. Force and 0. Why? How? Tell me why. If extra is greater than 0 or not current. Three and okay, 3, that's fine, and then 4. But 4 is not the same, right? So that means that 4 is not the same. So it's either doing this or this. Or this. No, 4. But 4 force. So it should be okay. And alright, so right? So 2 is true, and 2 true and 0. So that means that we swap This is 1. 0, 0, right? So then now we have 2 true and 0, and that's good. But then now we have 3. 3 false and 0 should not be returning a number because it goes to false. Oh, it goes to 4 false and 0. Yeah, 4 false and 0, so this goes to 5. This is true, so this is going to return infinity. Right? This is also going to return infinity. So why, how? Okay, so this is going here. But why is best 0? Or why is best 1? Is this thing? But this is true. Oh, this is just if that's the it. 4 and 1, -1. Okay. Wow, that is a silly bug. I just kind of had a logic for like 5 minutes. All right. Yeah, let's give it a submit. Okay, silly mistake. Oh man, and just misreading that problem for a long time. All right, let's go. I feel like I know what this means, but I forget. I think this is okay. Okay, mod. Let's do this first. Okay, so what does this mean? So that means that for 1 1 nothing happens, 0 0 nothing happens, so it was 1 0. Then ij would basically give all the bits to the I. No, we'll give all the bits to the j. Okay, so I mean one of the elements anyway. So give all the bits to one of the elements. Okay, you have to. We can do all these, and then you could choose the k and then calculate some elements. Okay. Oh, this is easy then. Yeah, I can see why so many people got it. Just greedy, right? Yeah. Okay. So. What am I doing? Okay. Right, and then now greedy. Okay, and then now, yeah. Right. Okay. And then yeah. Whatever. Writing this in a sloppy way, but that's fine. The mod doesn't even matter that much, but 261.90. This times out, I'll be way sad. This is what a missed opportunity, though. Missed opportunity. Uh, I mean, I don't. I mean, I would not have won it, but I would have done very well. Just misread Q3 for a long time. Maybe like, it is what it is. 24 minutes. We'll see how far these things go. Q3, I just misread. I mean, there's just two things to misread. One was that, well, this part was dumb for me because I knew what I wanted to do, but then I just kind of confused with models. What's it called? De Morgan's law or something. I think I had it N in my head, and that's why. I think I had something like, but yeah. So that one was pretty straightforward, but I just wasted 5 minutes, and then I also wasted like 6 minutes just reading this as swap instead of flip. So that was a little bit sad. Yeah, because as soon as I read it correctly, I think I got it. But we'll see how this far goes. I don't know how many people have done Q3. Q3 73 people, so I guess like in Q4 73 people as well. I think that's only in the US, so maybe that puts me in like top 100 or something. That'll be good. Very sloppy contest for me. I mean, only Q3. I think Q4 I did fine. Though I mean, a lot of people also did it much faster, so I think for me this is a good time. It's just a little bit sad. I mean, it's not sad. Obviously, it's a very good finish. It's a very good rating or whatever. But I think it's just a missed opportunity. I like. Well, actually, maybe not. Q2, a lot of people did much faster on. I knew that I was slow. Oh, because I also did not read Q2 fast enough. I think I missed the thing about 4 things or something. I got very confused in my head, and I didn't really. That's why I was trying to do the binary search. This is a very simple problem. In terms of algorithms, it's just all about the. Yeah, I don't know. Like the code, it is the. I mean, I don't even think the algorithm was struggling with this time. Like I usually say that, well, at least recently, I've been kind of a little bit poor on the pretty good on the algo, a little bit poor on the implementation. But this time, I'm not even like I don't think the algo is restrained. It's just that everything was on the reading, or all the like performance is based on the reading. This probably doesn't update for a while, just because I feel like last week or last couple of weeks hasn't updated in a while. Oh, Chi finished, so definitely props to him. Though he finished after me, so I don't know how like I don't know if that sounds like an attack. I'm just curious about like why didn't like Maya's not show up. But oh, I don't know how these things work. I don't know how like page 1 and page 2 is so like not synced. I mean, this is like inconsistent. I mean, I guess if I have to guess, this is cached somewhere, which is nice. They finally learned how to do caching, but I have to kind of. There's still you could do caching without doing caching so poorly. But that means that in theory, and I don't know how. I'm top 25. I don't think that counts China or whatever, but in theory, that's a pretty okay score. Alex still kind of did well. I don't know if I gave him an explicit shout out, but I mean, Alex needs no introduction, so I don't. But still, if you're out there, if you're watching, which I don't think you are, here's a shout out. Anyone else? I mean, people didn't finish, so there's still a lot of movement with respect to, but I feel a little bit, just kind of wasted opportunity. Like I definitely 15 minutes is ridiculous. I could definitely shave 10 minutes off that, and if I did, because I got it immediately. I don't know. I have to look at the tapes to see if I'm lying. But I mean, if I could shave like even 8 minutes off this, right? That's like 16 minutes, and that would have been second. I mean, obviously there's some like China ranked list thing that I don't know, but still would have been a very good contest. I mean, it probably still is a very, very good contest, but I have to learn how to read. Reading is fundamental, and I've been fundamentally bad. And on this, I would be top 10, but I don't. I think there's just a lot of stuff that's not updated yet. Because, for example, all these people has a chance to kind of squeeze in there. Q3 is hard, but it's more difficult than a normal Q3, but a lot of people are smart people, so I don't even know. And I just kind of misread it for a while, and it might be that other people misread it as well, which is possible. And I'm sure like this person is gonna finish pretty quickly, though. I'm just curious whether it'll be, but Q2 is pretty straightforward. If you are able to read correctly. Usually I would You know, usually I wait until this refreshes, but these days it takes too long to refresh. So yeah, I don't know where I'm at, but this is my last contest in New York for a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna do future contests. I mean, not forever. Just like I'm traveling, so we'll see how the timing kind of matches up there. But yeah, I guess we'll see. That's all I have for this video. Caching is hard. What did they say? The three hard problems in computer science: naming things, caching validation, and off by one errors. But I think I messed up the off by one part. So the four hard problems in the computer science, and then naming things again. I guess I don't know. And then. And what you may call it, race conditions. Yeah, anyway, all right. I butchered the joke, but if you're still here, tell me your favorite comp sci joke. But that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.